Hello class 11th entrepreneurship students. Today I have come up with the new lesson, chapter number 2, an entrepreneur. Okay. In the beginning we will discuss the types of entrepreneurs. Okay. First we will discuss on the basis of risk factor. Okay. That on the basis of taking the degree of risk, how many types of entrepreneurs are prevailing in the system. Okay. As far as types of entrepreneurs is concerned, entrepreneurs can be of different types. Some may prefer to go to it alone or share the risk in groups with others. Okay. Some follow the path of entrepreneurship or that venture alone, and some people take a group of people with them. Okay, idea is there and they follow that dream, that idea or the success with the group. Okay, entrepreneurs are found in every economic system and every form of economic activity, as well as in the social and cultural activities also you can find entrepreneurs. Okay, that means entrepreneurs are found not only in economic activities but they are also present in social activities as well as in cultural activities. Okay, based on their values, culture to innovate and create. Okay, they are seen from amongst farmers, laborers, fishermen, tribes, artisans, artists, importers, exporters, bankers, professionals, politicians, bureaucrats, and so many others. Okay, that means you can find entrepreneurs in every sphere of economic activities, social activities, and cultural activities. Right? So, what C. Denhoff has described these entrepreneurs, he described these entrepreneurs into 4 categories. Okay, and today we will discuss these 4 categories only. Number 1 is the innovative entrepreneur. Okay, according to C. Denhoff. Okay, number 1 is the innovative. Innovative entrepreneur, right? So, innovative entrepreneur is one you can see from the earlier example that in early phase of economic development, entrepreneurs have initiative to start new ventures and find innovative ways to start an enterprise. Okay, thus innovative entrepreneurs are those who introduces new products, new methods of production, or discovers a new market or new service, or recognize the enterprise. Okay, so are those who innovate new market, product, service, new methods of production, etc. Right? It is the innovative entrepreneurs who build the modern capitalism. Okay, the modern society, the modern economic system is made by them. Okay, responsible for modern economy or capitalism. Okay, they are commonly found in developed countries. They are aggressive in nature, who exhibit cleverness in putting attractive possibilities into practice. Okay, they are commonly found in developed countries. They are aggressive towards changes. Right? So these are the things which you can say towards changes and new possibilities. Right? These are the things which you can write under innovative entrepreneurs. They innovate new market, new products. They do not rely on existing things. Okay, they want something new to come as a product, as a market, service, method of production, etc. They are the responsible people for the modern economy or capitalism. Okay, they are commonly found in developed countries. They are aggressive in nature towards the changes and new possibilities of business. Right? Please note down. Okay, you can write the example of for Disney. Okay, Disney amusement park, Disney cartoons, who started huge theme park such as Disneyland. Okay, Walt Disney. Right? Then second type is imitative. Right? Imitative entrepreneurs. Imitative entrepreneur is the second group. There is a second group generally referred as imitative entrepreneurs. They usually copy or adopt suitable innovation made by innovative entrepreneurs. Okay? Second type, imitate or copy with some changes in the innovation made by innovative entrepreneurs. Right? So that means they used to copy the things with some modification in that what the innovative entrepreneurs have done. They are adaptive and more flexible. Okay? Adaptive more flexible towards the changes, towards the adaptability. Okay, they are more flexible. They are organizers of factors of production rather than creators. Okay? Organizers of factors of production. Rather than creators. Fine? This point. Then they imitate entrepreneurs are also evolutionary and important. They are also important. Imitative. They contribute to the development of underdeveloped economies. Okay? For example, the local mobile companies using the same technology as big companies to manufacture their products, right? So these are also important. They are also important for underdeveloped countries, right? Please note down. Then third is Fabian. Fabian entrepreneurs. This is the third type. The Fabian entrepreneurs, such entrepreneurs are very shy and lazy. Okay? Very shy and lazy. Why? Towards the innovation. Okay? Which is the basic requirement of entrepreneurship. Okay? They are very shy and lazy. They are very cautious about the risk. Okay? Very cautious. Okay? They do not venture or take risk. They are rigid and fundamental in their approach. Usually they are second generation entrepreneurs in a family business. Okay? They are rigid and fundamental. They are second generation in the family business. Okay? So that is why they do new things. They follow the footstep of their predecessors. Okay? They imitate only when they are sure that failure do so would result in a loss of relative position in the enterprise. Okay? They take risk at certain situations. Where loss is less. Okay? So you can think regarding them. Fine. And the last is the drone entrepreneurs. Okay. The nature of drone, that camera, you understand. This is the fourth type. Okay, fourth type is drone entrepreneurs who refuse to copy or use opportunities that come their way. They are conventional in their approach. They are not ready to make changes in their existing production methods, even if they suffer losses. They resist changes. They may be termed as laggards. Okay, they do not, number one, refuse changes. Fine. Number one thing, refuse to copy, okay, or use opportunities. Okay, that come there. Fine. And they are conventional in approach. They are not ready to make changes in existing production methods. They do not resist they do not basically accept, ready. Okay. Right. At the same time, they resist changes. Okay. That means oppose the changes. Okay. They are called laggards. Laggards. Refusers. Okay. These are called laggards. Fine. So here are the four type of entrepreneurs which you have to think regarding. These are the four types as per C. Dunhoff has told. Okay. So I hope I am clear on these things. Okay. So keep learning, keep revising, keep in touch. Whatever the problem you are having, whatever the queries you are having, as per your queries, I'll move on to the next topic. I'll continue these types on the basis of business in the next coming session. Right? Please note down these topics. Thank you very much.